I'm your host, Jolie. Today, I am going to show you Taiwan's top 5 Western food that's different from the original. Taiwan is deeply influenced by foreign food culture. Many foreign foods have been transformed into more local and special cuisine by Taiwanese. Follow me to explore all the appetizing food in Taiwan. Number 3, sweet potato fries with plum powder. Let's check out what Taiwanese fries look like.
Number 3, Taiwanese fries.
Wow, these fries are really different from French fries.
那请问一下，地瓜薯条是不是比一般薯条还要有营养价值？
一般来讲哦，像薯条就是分马铃薯薯条跟地瓜薯条。马铃薯薯条其实是西方的主食，那以前地瓜是算我们古早的时候很困苦，吃不起米食的代用品。地瓜的营养成分哦，也被检测出说会抗部分的癌症，所以说它就水涨船高了。
你可以跟我分享一下你刚刚吃到地瓜薯条的口感。
我觉得地瓜薯条比一般薯条还要脆很多，然后又不会像普通的美式薯条一样那么油。
因为是地瓜，所以感觉稍微健康一点。
对，而且是甜甜的，蛮好吃的。
水油无论甜度。
Oh my god! It's perfect with the plum powder. Look what's in there. The sweet potato is so thick. I think Taiwanese people love these fries because it's healthier and it's crispier. And the sweet potato tastes just like a sweet potato. It's not too sweet at all. So if you ever come to Taiwan, you should definitely try these fries. Once you try these fries, you will never go back to French fries. Yum, yum, yum. In a country that's full of foodies, you can have Taiwanese Western food from cuisine meals, desserts, to street food. You definitely shouldn't miss any of them. Come and try other creative Taiwanese food you have never tried before.